Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Check it out, man. This is the nice lift that I picked up from Harbor Freight. This is their Fisher brand Pro Series lift. Instead of having a screw up type like the less expensive models, this one's hydraulic. Also is capable of holding a whole lot more weight. ATVs, side-by-sides, that kind of thing. A lot more space here to move these in and out as well. And you can actually remove these slides and do this with just the center. So there's a lot of options you can use this thing on. Today I just wanted to talk to you about, and I have an assembly video on this elsewhere, but I'm just going to show you lifting this thing up and how much easier it is to get in here and be able to do this kind of work on a riding mower. And so I just have it propped up against the wall here. And that's where I keep it when I'm not using it. And it's not terribly heavy or complicated to use. You kind of wheel it into position, whatever is a good spot for you. And now you can do one of two things here. You can remove these bottom pins here. They're adjustable to hold the wheels, and in fact I'll probably need to move those in, but you can remove those, drive your unit over, or you can leave them in place. In my case, I'm just going to push the tractor right up onto it. This is pretty much set up perfectly for a mower of this size. And you just roll it up over it, like so, and you're ready to lift. Now there are straps for this, so you can capture it if you're worried about it falling off. But as you see here, it's pretty straightforward, really. And it will lift quite a bit. And it might be hard for you to see, but right here are safety locks. So when it comes down, if it were to lose pressure, it goes into a lock pin, and then you have no worries about this thing dropping on your head. For size comparison, I can pretty much stand under this thing. It makes it super easy to work underneath it, to get in there and do whatever it is you need to do to it. It's a pretty awesome piece of equipment. Saddle capacity is 500 pounds. H-frame capacity is 750 pounds, so it's a doozy. Another thing to remember with this is that even though those numbers 500 and 750 may not take into account the full weight of a riding mower or garden tractor or ATV or whatever, we're not lifting the whole thing. We're only lifting the front or the rear, or lifting the whole thing if you were to change it and lift it from the side. But in most cases, I mean, this mower here probably weighs about 375. In most cases, we're only actually lifting a fraction of that weight. Now for me, this is awesome because I can ride my creeper up under here. I can get at the pulleys. I can get at anything I need to really to do servicing on it, like drive belts, pulleys. If you wanted to take belts off, if the deck was still on, take off the mower blades, that kind of stuff. So I love it. Should you buy this if you're just a homeowner? It's probably mega overkill. If you're a hobbyist with ATVs and you like to do mods, yeah, it's probably the one to go with. Compared to the smaller one with the screw-up thing there, it is miles away a better piece of machinery. It's a professional piece of machinery. It's going to last you a good long time. Anyway, I wanted to make a video on it because I've had it for, well, about 2 years now, and I just really don't make videos on it. It just kind of sits in the corner until it's needed. Today it's needed. Till next time, my friends, take care.